you may think that the Dart Monkey is the most basic tower in Balloonist TD6. But I'm going to prove you wrong today with Best Bros B&D. Here we go. So, the best part about the Dart Monkey is its bottom path, the Crossbow Master. Look at all that range, and watch, it can take out this ZMG very well. And here comes a BFB, and as you can see, didn't even get it to that. And here we go, ZMG. Alright, and almost down, and there we go, got that ZMG down, and just taking care of those mobs, and there we go, look at that.
As you can see, that Crossbow Master is awesome.
Okay, and now for the next tier of the Dart Monkey, the Plasma Monkey Fan Club. This monkey is very insane because, as you can see, once I put all these Dart Monkeys down next to it, it can turn them all into plasma super monkeys, and with its ability. And look at that. And they can take care of a mob with ease. BFB. Like that. Just wait for its ability to come back. Alright. And there we go. And totally shredded that. Okay. Now comes the ZMG. Alright, and as soon as it gets into the range, just use this ability, and all of them should target that and just blast away. And, oh no. Oh no. Okay, we lost, but as you can see, the Crossbow Master is better than this middle path for the Dart Monkey. Let's just get rid of all these guys. And I'm going to show you the top path for this Dart Monkey called Ultra Juggernaut. And let's see how it does against a Moab. As you can see, this tower is not very good. It is mostly good for swarms of balloons. Like this. Alright, and yeah, now I'm going to show you the best spot to place the Dart Monkey. Right here is the best spot if you're going with the top path, because, and if you get long range and enhanced eyesight, you can see all the way around that little curve right there, and it will bounce, the balls will bounce back from the trees and come back at the Moabs and eliminate them. And oh, that looks pretty cool, that thing anyway. And now for the Plasma Monkey Fan Club. Oh, not there, right here, and place all the Dart Monkeys around it. Not Quincy. Yeah. Okay. And in the description, of the upgrade. It says that 20 monkeys can be in this club. So we're going to try to place as many as we can. And alright. Hold on. Stay tuned, guys, because this video gets pretty crazy at the end. Alright. Almost there, and that's probably all it's going to be able to fit to the range. And actually, we might be able to fit some more down here. There we go. Okay. Just a couple more up here. There we go. And this guy needs to be middle path. And as you can see, any balloons that come will be totally shredded by these guys. And turn into their ability. Alright, and let's see here, a mob. Boom. They totally destroy it. Don't even let it get past. And yeah. But no monkey is perfect against 999 mobs, of course. But anyways, the last path, the Crossbow Master be showing you is right here, this little corner, because if you upgrade it all the way, it can see all the way out to there at the very end and at the beginning. So let's send it this mob, and it destroys them very nicely. And yeah, you can't really see it because of all those mobs, but yeah, it's doing pretty well. So, and this tower is also very good because it's very cheap and can get you past a lot of rounds in the early game. For example, I'm just going to play round 10. Now let's see if we can take care of it. Alright, doing pretty well. And yeah, I don't think it's going to leak any lives. Maybe a couple, but yeah. And here, let me start this round over.
And guys, I believe it can get up to around 4 or through 6 without any upgrades.
Yes. So let's try round 6 right here with just a normal dart monkey in this corner right there. Alright. Here we go. And let's see. Yeah, it's doing pretty well against these balloons. Alright, they're coming around. And yeah, you can do pretty well against those early rounds. And then once you don't need them anymore, you can just sell them and like get another monkey like a ninja monkey or your hero or even a dartling gunner or something like that. So anyway, all in all, the dart monkey is probably the best starter tower in Bloons TD6. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time.